Hello everyone, we are on step 35 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Step 35. The drop-down options are currently empty. To give them content, add the following text to each subsequent option element. Okay, so the first one is going to have select one, parentheses. This is going to have freeCodeCamp YouTube channel. It's going to have freeCodeCamp. CodeCamp forum. I skipped one. This needs to be freeCodeCamp news. This should be freeCodeCamp YouTube channel. My apologies. This one will be forum, and this one will be other. Like that, and let's see if that works. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.